G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's product review time, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Suimin Originals Beef Massaman Flavoured Noodles. And you know it's going to be good because it's a product of Thailand. It contains 5 authentic ingredients, but I'm just wondering if it's beef massaman, if there's any actual beef in it. Well, let's just have a quick look. Right. Well, the ingredients are noodles 54%. There's a curry paste sachet, 23%, and it's got like a coconut sachet and ground roasted peanuts and a potato sachet too. It's even got fried shallots. Sweet as, mate. That must be part of the 5 authentic ingredients. Now this is 2,720 kilojoules, so that means you could probably only eat like 3.5 of these every day. Let's figure out how you cook this stuff and we'll give it the old taste test. Okay. Fold back lid to the dotted line, remove fork and seasoning sachets. Add contents of curry paste and coconut sachets and 400 ml of boiling water. Close lid and allow to stand for 2 minutes, then stir well to combine. Add contents of potato sachet and stir to combine. Close lid, allow to stand for another 2 to 3 minutes, then stir to combine. Sauce will continue to thicken. Sprinkle with peanuts and fried shallots and enjoy. Now, it didn't say that I have to stir to continue to combine with that one. There's lots of combining in this, and those instructions seem a little bit, well, I don't even know if I could follow them. Anyway, let's start making it. But first, let's boil some water. Get that going. Alrighty, let's suss it out. So we'll peel it back to this line and, well, take a look at all these sachets. Well, there's your fork. Oh my gosh. I've never seen so many sachets in a thing before. Wow. This looks like it could be really good. So here we have the sachets. We've got shallots there. Peanut, that's the coconut. This one hasn't got anything on it, so that must be the curry paste. And here's the potatoes, I think. Okay, so let's start making this. So I'll fold the lid back. Now we have to add the sachet of curry in. But that's looking like something I just found in the garden after I just chased the neighbour's cat away. But I'll get out most of that sauce, and it's smelling really nice too. Smells better than the neighbour's cat. And next, we add the coconut sachet. Oh, right, okay, that's good. And then 400 ml of the boiled water. Now, I don't know exactly if this is 400 ml, but there is this line there, so I'll just fill it up to there because that's what normally happens in these situations. So now we need to just close the lid and let it stand for 2 minutes. I'll put the scissors on there to keep it nice and firm. Alright, well that's the 2 minutes up. So now we're supposed to, well, we'll get the plastic fork. We'll see how strong that is. Oh, wow, look at that. It's looking good. And it seems to have softened up really nicely, and you can stir it quite easily. Does that look like too much liquid though? Well, we haven't added the potato yet. They said once you add that, the sauce will thicken. Right, so next, we do have to add, which is what I'm thinking is the potatoes, to it. Put those in. Then stir to combine it. It's spilt everywhere, but that's all right. Now we need to close the lid again. And we have to let this sit for another 2 to 3 minutes while that potato thickens the sauce. All right, well, that's the 2 to 3 minutes up. And now it's towards the end, so I can peel this off and get a better look at it. Give it a stir. Not too sure if it's thickened that much, but that's what it says. Anyway, now it's time to add the shallots on top. And we just finish it off with the peanuts. I've got to say, that smells really tasty. And the smell of the peanuts coming off that, oh dude, can't wait to tuck on in. Now I'm not too sure how you're supposed to eat this saucy soup with a fork. I mean, it must be a special diet edition, because this would take you like a year and a half to finish, I reckon. So I'll start off with a proper spoon just to see what this sauce tastes like. It tastes just like the contents of a 2-minute noodle packet mixed with water. That's what it tastes like. There's a slight Massaman flavour there, and it has got a little bit of a kick to it that's starting to creep down my throat. The kick of chili. Maybe I put too much liquid in there or something, but who's going to measure out 400 mils of boiling water? They just need their line there. I actually put it below the line, so don't blame me. Unless it's my fault. And then, go right ahead. All right. Looking good so far. Come at me. Once we got a little bit of those shallots and peanuts there, mate, that tasted good. And the noodles, well, they're cooked perfectly, and they're quite tasty as well. The flavour of that sauce does seem to be strong enough. It seems to be getting stronger every time I have a taste of it. And, well, I mean, it tastes pretty good, but it doesn't taste like really awesome or anything. Not that I was expecting it to, but for that reason, for this Suimin Massaman beef, I probably wouldn't be getting another one of these again. Although on a cold winter's day like today, it is nice and warming inside. But the beef Massaman, it's pretty good, it's pretty tasty. If you get it, you'll probably like it, but it's not one I'd get again. Anyway, that's all today. I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I'll review a noodle. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's